Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start with English Unit 3, first chapter, that is 3.1. It is a poem on page number 60, and the name of the poem is Silver. This poem is written by Walter de la Mare. Now, in this poem, as the name of the poem is Silver, it is a beautiful poem where the poet Walter de la Mare describes the effects of moonlight on the countryside at night. First, I will read out the poem, then I will explain you. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in her silver shoon. This way and that she peers and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. One by one the casements catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. Couched in his kennel like a log, with paws of silver ships the dog. From their shadowy coat the white breast peep of doves in silver feathered sleep. A harvest mouse goes scampering by with silver claws and silver eye, and moonless fish in the water gleam by silver reeds in a silver stream. The poem is written by Walter de la Mare. Now, I will explain you this poem according to line wise, that is 2 lines. Okay, so let us see the first 2 lines. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in her silver shoon. Now, what is the meaning of shoon? Shoon means what? Shoes. Okay, here the poet is telling that the moon is moving what? Slowly and silently, and it is walking at night in her silver shoon. In her silver shoon means I said that it is shoes. So the moon is wearing the silver shoon and walking slowly and silently at night. See the second line. This way and that she peers and see silver fruits upon silver trees. Now in this next 2 line, the poet is explaining us that when the moon is walking at that time, she looks this way and that way. She is looking on all the sides carefully, and she is seeing silver fruits upon silver trees. What the poet is telling, that she means who? The moon. The moon is seeing everywhere. Okay, she peers means she is looking very carefully. Okay, everywhere, and she can see that silver fruits are upon silver trees. Now see here, many times the poet has used the word silver because at night when you see the moon looks like silver, and the beams or the moonlight, wherever it falls, whether on the tree, whether on the windows, whether on the wall, anywhere where the moonlight falls, the light looks silver. So everywhere the word silver is used. Okay, let us see the next 2 line. One by one the casements catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. Now what do you mean by casements? Casement means windows. Okay, so here in next 2 line, what the poet is telling? Poet is telling that the window beneath the grass roof, one by one the window beneath the grass roof catches her rays. Okay, so silvery thatch, her beams beneath the silvery thatch, one by one the casements catch. So here the poet is telling that the beams means the moonlight beneath the silvery hatch means the thatch means what? The roof. So below the roof there are what? Houses, and in that houses there are windows. Casements means windows. In that casements the moonlight, the silvery moonlight is falling. Okay, next 2 lines. Couched in his kennel like a log, with paws of silver sleeps the dog. Now coached means lay down. So the dog is laying in his where? Kennel. Okay, like a log. Like a log means like a tree log. Okay, log, you know, wood. Okay, so like a piece of wood. Who is sleeping? The dog is sleeping. Where? In the his house. And dog's home is known as what? Kennel. With paws of silver sleeps the dog. Now his paws means the legs, the part of his feet, that when the moonlight is falling on the paws, the paws are also looking what? Silver. And the dog is sleeping. See the next two line. From their shadowy coat the white breast peep of doves in silver feathered sleep. Now coat means what? Small shelter of the doves. Okay, so from their shadowy coat the white breast peep of doves in silver feathered sleep. Here the poet is telling, in their shadow shelter, there is a shadow shelters, and the doves are asleep. The doves are what? Sleeping. The dove means what? The bird. So the birds are also sleeping. In the silver moonlight reflect of their white chest, and the silver light is falling on the dove also, and it is reflecting on their chest. Okay, see the next two line. A harvest mouse goes scampering by with silver claws and silver eye. Now what is the next line? Here the poet is telling the harvesting mouse also is running by taking small steps. It claws an eye to reflect the silver light. In his eyes also what? The silver rays are reflected. See the last two line. A mooless fish in the water gleam by silver reeds in a silver stream. Now the motion here, what the poet is telling, the mooless fish means motionless. Okay, standing in the water. The fish are standing in the water, and on the water the shadow of the moonlight is falling. So by silver reeds in the silver stream. So the motionless fish shines in the water of the silvery stream near the silver reeds. Okay, so this way the poet Walter de la Mare is describing about the night, how the all creatures and atmosphere, how the scene is, that is described in this poem. I hope you have understood the poem. Once I request you all to read the poem and listen to the video once more. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.